cars all my life, so I know a little bit about them. But you act as if I came from another planet or something.
Okay.
Tell me even the silly little things that you know I already know.
Okay. Now, of course, you know the first thing you do is put the key in the ignition.
Aren't you going to get in?
Well, I can show you right from here, Kate.
Oh,
Now-
please?
Okay. Oh, wait.
Now, this is the ignition, and this is the brake,
Right.
and this is the gas.
Okay.
You want me to start it again?
Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea.
Away we go. Where are we going?
Well, Katie, you see, you didn't put it in gear.
That's another confusing thing. It says R&D. It sounds like a prescription or something.
Well, of course, the R means reverse, and the D is for drive. You want to go ahead? What are you doing now?
Well, starting over. I think a complete sequence makes more sense, don't you?
I'll tell you, Katie, why don't I get in the driver's seat and I can show you?
Oh, no. I've seen other people drive. Now I've actually got to do it.
Okay.
Now, key on.
Right.
Put it into D. Give it a little gas, and away we go. Well, why aren't we moving?
Well, Katie, you didn't release the emergency brake.
Right.
You're going to start all over, huh?
Key on. Put it into D. Release the brake. Give it a little... No. Right. Release the brake. Away we go.